In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time you post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the phone app and you're going to type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. You will need to write down that first number at the top there. You're going to need that later on in the video. Next, we're going to go home, and then we'll go to Google Chrome or to your web browser, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. And this website is going to ask us a few questions that we're going to need to answer first. So first, manufacturer, Samsung, model, Note or Galaxy Note 20. Note 20. Tap on unlock now. It'll ask you a few more questions about where you purchased the phone. So purchase country is going to be United States. Carrier is going to be T-Mobile. Hit next. And on this last page here, it is going to ask you to enter the IMEI that we pulled from the first section of the video. So type in that IMEI, put in your first name, last name, and your email address. You want your delivery information and contact number. They're going to email you instructions on how to complete the unlock, and in some cases an unlocking pin. So you want to make sure you put your information accurately in this section here. And before you hit order, you're going to see the price of what it will cost to get the phone unlocked. Very inexpensive at only $30, and with anywhere from 1 to 24 hour turnaround time for that information. So there is all of that. You would tap on order now and wait to get your either text message or confirmation email. That's going to have the final instructions. Now, the process to unlock phones does change from time to time, so you will want to wait to get that email to get the final steps. So I'm going to pause here and show you, once you get the email, what you need to do. The first thing you will need to do is go home, and you're going to need to take your SIM card tool that you'll find in the box, looks like this, and pop out your SIM card. Now, if you don't have this, that's fine. Look for a paper clip and stretch it out, and you'll use that. And the slot is going to be at the top of the phone here, so you just take it and just press to pop out the SIM tray, and make sure you're at a good angle so you don't damage the phone. And you'll simply take this out, and you'll have a SIM card in there. Currently I don't have one in here, but I have my new SIM card right here. I want to put in a Metro by T-Mobile SIM card. Just put it right back in. In some cases, your phone will automatically prompt to restart. In other cases, it won't. So just be advised for that. Now, once that SIM card is in there, you're going to refer to your email from the unlocking company with the final instructions on how to complete the unlock. So definitely follow that. Everything you need will be in there. If you have any issues, go back to the website and you'll notice you have a chat option where you can speak to someone live through chat. You also have a toll-free phone number at the top here that you can send text messages to, and then there's a separate number you can call for 24-hour support. So if you have any issues, they're going to stand by you to walk you through it, and if all else fails and they cannot unlock your phone, they will give you a full refund. So you can rest assured that this company will stand by you to make sure you are taken care of. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.